Airports kill millions of birds every year, and no one talks about it. Bird strikes are a huge problem for aviation. A single bird can take down a plane, so airports do whatever it takes to keep them away. Loud noises, flashing lights, even trained falcons. But when that doesn't work, they take more extreme measures. Every year, airports quietly remove or eliminate entire flocks. Over 12 million birds worldwide. That's enough feathers to cover the moon. Some airports even use snipers or poisoning programs, all to prevent collisions that could be catastrophic for passengers and crew. It's brutal, but the alternative? A bird strike can shatter windshields, wreck engines, and send a plane spiraling down. Like what happened to U.S. Airways Flight 1549, the Miracle on the Hudson. A flock of geese caused a total engine failure. That story had a happy ending. Most don't. So next time you see a plane flying overhead, just know somewhere an airport is making sure it stays safe, at a cost no one ever talks about.